Yo, it's your man Joe. Came around just to find that you need to know. So, I got an article for you guys. People are inserting microchips under their skin to replace ID cards. Okay. Just when we thought technology couldn't get worse, Sweden has come up with the genius idea um, of planting microchips into their bodies. Why? Because apparently IDs are way too heavy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, we are that lazy for some odd reason. I don't know why specifically, but maybe it's predictive programming. Um, and they don't feel like carrying them. Around 3,000 people in Sweden have inserted the said microchips, which are the size of a grain of rice and can work as a key card and train tickets, according to the Agence France Press. The technology was first introduced in the country in 2015. The implant said, the implants are said to have already replaced the need for a host of a daily necessity. Usually, these microchips implants are placed in the hand, sometimes in between the thumb and index finger, and can pretty much open any door you want to open. You want you want it to. This includes something easy like your gym door or an office key that you can use every day at work. Well, what if one day that the people that are behind the RFID chips can just turn off and you can't really access anything regardless? That's just me though. Um, all you have to do is simply wave your hand in front of a special box that accept the microchips. Uh, type type in the code, then and boom, open. Last year, the state-owned SJ Rail Lane began to scan the hand of passengers with biometric chips in order to collect train fare while on board. And it's so weird, but apparently it works. Now will these tiny microchips soon be able to use as a credit card? Well, maybe. But think about it. It's pretty terrifying. Of course it is. It's the mark of the beast. Yeah. Everybody who has seen any Wi-Fi movies that involve any microchip knows that they are tracked. It is a given. I don't know about you, but I don't want someone to track my every move or know any of my personal details. I have enough with I have enough with my FBI agent staring at me through my computer uh, and 24/7 on the phone 24/7. My location is my location. So why is Sweden willing to get these portable trackers? Well, some state that Sweden's strong social welfare program is what has made Sweden trust the government. Oh my God, they trust their own government enough to get a microchip, but the trend isn't really happening in Sweden. Germans have also jumped on the wagon. Um, and one man event got an implant that includes his link to his last will and testament. Hold on. Uh, Hold on. Yes, sorry. That was Witsicon announced that it would give its employees the option to getting a microchip that can be used to log into their computers.